Hello students, this is your Madhubabu sir. From this video, I am going to explain the third question of exercise 6.1 of AP and Telangana state boards from the chapter linear equation in two variables. The third question is express the following statements as a linear equation in two variables. So these are the statements we have to form a linear equation in two variables. The first one is the sum of two numbers is 34. So the sum of two numbers is 34, but we don't know the two numbers. So solution, let the two numbers be x and y. The sum of these two numbers is 34. So by given data, we can form the equation like this, that is x plus y is equals to 34. This is the required equation. The second question is the cost of a ball pen is rupees 5 less than the half of the cost of a fountain pen. Here ball pen cost is compared with fountain pen, but we don't know the cost of both ball pen and fountain pen. So first ball pen is compared with fountain pen, so we should know the first fountain pen cost, then only we can find the cost of a ball pen. So that's why first you take the cost of fountain pen. Solution, let the cost of a fountain pen, that is equals to rupees x, and let the cost of a ball pen, that is equals to rupees y. By given data, by the information given, that is the cost of a ball pen, that is y, is equals to half of the cost of fountain pen, that is equals to half of the cost of fountain pen means half of the cost of fountain pen and 5 rupees less than the half, so it's minus 5. So by given data, this is the condition. So cost of a ball pen is 5 rupees less means minus, then half of the cost of the fountain pen. So this is the exact given data. So now do LCM, take by 5 1. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 into 1 time cancel, 1 into 1 x minus this denominator 1 is LCM 2, 2 times cancel, 2 into 5 10. So y is equals to, send the denominator to this side, then it will multiply, so it will be 2y is equals to x minus 10. So this is the required equation. You can write in the form of ax plus by plus c. It will be changed as, send 2y that side, then it will be x plus 2y as changed as minus 2y, minus 10 is already there, so it will be 0. So these both equations are correct. So you can write like this or like this, no problem. The third question is Bhargavi got 10 more marks than double of the marks of Sindhu. So Bhargavi marks compared with Sindhu. So first we have to know the marks of Sindhu. That's why you take let the marks of Sindhu, that is equals to x, and let the marks of Bhargavi, that is equals to y. So now by given data, Bhargavi marks is equals to double of the marks of Sindhu, that means 2x plus 10 more marks than Sindhu marks, so 2x plus 10. So 10 more marks than the double of the marks of Sindhu marks is equals to Bhargavi's marks. That's why this is the equation. Or you can write like this, or you can change it as ax plus by plus c, then it will be, send y this side, then it will be 2x plus y as changed as minus y plus 10 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation. Fourth question is the cost of a pencil is rupees 2 and the one ballpoint pen cost is rupees 15. Sheila pays rupees 100 for the pencils and pens she purchased. Here solution, given that the cost of a pencil is equals to rupees 2 and the cost of ball pen is equals to rupees 15. Here we don't know how many pencils and pens were bought by Sheila. So let the number of pencils purchased be X and let the number of pens purchased is equals to Y. The amount paid by Sheila is 100 rupees. Total amount paid, that is equals to rupees 100. By given data, total pencils cost is the number of pencils purchased into each pencil cost, that is equals to pencil cost is 2 and the number of pencils purchased is X plus each pen cost is 15 and the number of pens purchased is Y. So this is the total amount, that is equals to 100. So this is the required equation. You can write also like this in the ax plus by plus c formation. So 2x plus 15y, send 100 this side, then it will be minus 100 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the given question. The fifth question is Amni and Fatima of class 9th together contributed 200 rupees towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. So here Amni and Fatima contributed 200 rupees, but individually we don't know how much they contributed. So let the contribution of Amni is X and the contribution of Fatima be Y. Total contribution together is rupees 200. So by given data, the contribution of Amni is X and the contribution of Fatima is Y. Total contribution is 200. So this is the linear equation in two variables. So you can write like this also, or X plus Y, send 200 this side, then it will be minus 200 is equals to 0. To write in the form of Ax plus By plus C is equals to 0. The last question is the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by the reversing the order of its digits is 121 if the digits in units place and tens place are x and y respectively. So this is a different problem and an important problem. See here a two-digit number. The number is a two-digit number. We have to find the two-digit number. So let the digit in units place, that is equals to x, and the digit in tens place, that is equals to y. So you write like this, then it will be very easy. X in ones place, tens place, y, like this. Then the number will be, here some difference is there. Suppose here in ones place 5, take tens place 6, then it will be 65. To get 65 with using 6 and 5, you should multiply the place value and we have to add it. Suppose 65 means 6 into 10, 60 plus 5 into 1, 5, 65. So it will be 65. Like that only, we should multiply by place values and we have to add it. So the required number will be we should not keep side by side. It will not be the two-digit number will not be yx. We should multiply by the place values, then we will get the original number. So the required two-digit number is multiply the place values. 10 into y plus 1 into x, then it will be 10y plus x. After reversing the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by the reversing the digit. So after the reversing the digits, so change the digits reverse, write in reverse, it will be by x 1 place 10's place. So the number will be multiplied by the place values. So 10 into x, 10x plus 1 into y, 1 by, so y. So after the reversing the digits, the number will be 10x plus y. So sum of the two digit numbers, the original number and reversing the digit number, if we add, we should get 121. So by given data, the required two digit number is 10y plus x. After reversing the digits, the number will be like this, 10x plus y. So sum of these two digit numbers is equals to, should be 121. So adding same coefficients like 10x, x plus 10x, that will be 11x plus 10y plus y, that will be 11y, is equals to 121. So take common 11 in both terms, then it will be 11 into x plus y is equals to 121. Send 11 that side, it will divide. X plus y is equals to 121 by 11. 11 into 121, 11 times will cancel. So x plus y is equals to 11. So this is the required equation. Or we can write in the ax plus by plus c form. Then it will be x plus y plus 11, send this side, then it will be minus 11 is equals to 0. So this is the solution of the given problem. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates or friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.